In this video, you will learn how to play YouTube video or music in the background on your iPhone so you can use other apps while listening to a song or podcast or whatever you want. So we are not going to use the YouTube app for this method because that is going to open picture and we don't want it. So open Safari on your iPhone or iPad and then you want to go to youtube.com. Now tap on the little letters here and click on request desktop website. This will open the desktop version of the YouTube website. And now search for a video that you want to watch in the background. It can be a song, podcast, vlog, or whatever. I am going to open this song here. So when we open it and play it, it will go to full screen. So close the full screen and make sure that the video is playing. Now exit Safari and the video will stop playing. But all we have to do is to open the control center and the video will be here. So just click on play and our YouTube video will continue playing in the background while we use other apps. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.